Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to talk about CADPower and ERP. You have probably seen this caption under the BOM, BOQ tools that we have some ERP export tools. Now, what exactly does this mean? So let me tell you that this is the very beginning, and what we have is really something very simple, but something that we found has been useful to a bunch of companies in India. So when you export a quantity table or a BOM or a BOQ from CADPower, it comes out as a CSV file. This is something all of you know. But when you ask this to include ERP information, we are including 3 or 4 different fields in the same CSV file with a special tag. So things like drawing number, project number, revision date, and so on. So these are located at the bottom of your CSV file as a separate tag. So all you need to do is you need to tell your ERP system, whatever it is, that this CSV file or XLS file has these tags at the bottom, maybe in whatever row number XYZ, and from these tags you can extract the basic project drawing and revision information. So CADPower can keep spitting out these CSV files as in how you go ahead with your drawings, and these CSV files can be read and interpreted correctly by your ERP. It is not linked to any particular ERP or data management system, but is a simple tool that just allows you to capture the information so that your software can make use of it in ways that you need to imagine and configure. Thank you for watching this video. Do let us know if you have any questions.